And the contribution of semiconductor stocks to the S&P 500 index has been on the rise thanks to optimism around the growth of the sector. And artificial intelligence NVIDIA recently hit a market cap $3 trillion. Other top chipmaker stocks have also had a good run so far this year. Rachna Dhanrajani is here with all the details.
The rise of semiconductor companies in recent years has been nothing short of meteoric. This is clearly reflected in the S&P 500 index, where the weight of semiconductor companies has surged from a mere 2% in 2014 to about 11% in 2024. On a lighter note, the gains from these companies might now very well have you believe that the S in S&P could stand for semiconductors. Among the leading companies are Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the TSMC, AMD and NVIDIA. These have been standout performers. First, let's look at TSMC. The stock has appreciated 62% year to date. As the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry, TSMC is crucial for tech giants like Apple, AMD and NVIDIA. It serves as a critical supplier, particularly in high-demand markets such as mobile computing and artificial intelligence. AMD. The stock has seen 22% rise in its value year to date. Under the leadership of CEO Lisa Su, the company has aggressively expanded into the AI chip market, positioning itself as a key player next to NVIDIA. Su projects that the market for data center AI chips will reach $400 billion by 2027. However, AMD has often been perceived as the number 2 in the industry, now in AI chips second to NVIDIA and previously in computer chips second to Intel. An interesting fact that recently caught the internet's attention is the familial relationship between the CEO of AMD and the CEO of NVIDIA. They're actually cousins. NVIDIA. It has been the talk of the town with its $3 trillion market cap. Now with 29,600 employees, NVIDIA has a $102 million market cap per employee, dwarfing industry titans such as Apple and Meta, both at $19 million, Microsoft at $14 million, and Alphabet at $12 million. NVIDIA employees from mid-level to leadership have a rough net worth ranging from $3 million to $100 million. This wealth creation is largely attributed to the company's practice of granting initial stock awards and the so-called Jensenization effect in the Silicon Valley, where employees receive an additional 25% restricted stock units, the RSUs, as a part of the Jensen special grant. It is not just the employees, however, who are benefiting from this. NVIDIA has showcased year-to-date growth of 150%, one-year growth of 210%, and five-year growth of 3,200%. And going forward, analysts forecast that NVIDIA's stock could surge by an additional 258% by 2030. There are also projections that NVIDIA could reach a $10 trillion market cap by 2030. Since its listing on January 22, 1999, at an IPO price of $12 per share, NVIDIA has delivered returns to its investors exponentially. NVIDIA's success is anchored in its products, particularly its graphics processing units, the GPUs, which comes with the Hopper series and the Blackwell series. These have been pushing the boundaries of computational power and catering to the needs of artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. So the dramatic ascent of semiconductor companies led by NVIDIA is reshaping the global economic landscape. The rapid growth within the S&P 500 not only highlights the importance, but also underscores their role as the backbone of modern technology.
With that,